Hello guys, in this video we will know about what is Nginx. Guys, if you want to learn about Nginx, you have to first know about what problem Nginx can solve. Once you understand the problem solved by Nginx, that means you understand the whole picture. So let us start what problem Nginx can solve. It's a software, or you can say that it's a smart software that solves a smart problem. For example, if you have installed an application on your local machine and you are now sharing this app on your network, that means this application can be running on particular network port. For example, HTTP works on port 80 or HTTPS works on port 443 and so on. Now we have to understand the problem on big picture. Now if you have a server running and you have an application running on port 2000, as you can see on the picture, that's for one server having a database connected with this application server, and you know that people are using your application every single day, and after some time you realize that there is too much traffic on this port, and now you want to install another instance so that to load balance your traffic which is running on another port, for example 2500. As you can see on the picture, it's in between the two servers on port 2500. After few months you again realize that traffic is growing exponentially, and now you need one more instance to run, and this time it's running on port 3000. Now here Nginx plays a role. What Nginx does, it receives a huge number of requests. As you can see on the left side of the picture, there are a number of users, and Nginx manages these all load and distributes the load among the servers in a way so that it will be load balanced the traffic and redirects the requests on that port which is having low amount of traffic. And also Nginx can also cache your routes as well to speed up the requests from users. This was all about what Nginx can do. That is why Nginx is so much used in the production. And this was all about Nginx. I hope you find this video informative. Please share, like and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching.